is the dangerously attractive new Spirit 63 deckhouse, exhibited for the first time here at the Southampton Boat Show, and what an absolute work of art it is. A real testament to British boat building and a beautiful craft to be exhibited here. Have a look on board this. So in case you're not familiar with Spirit yachts already, they're based on the east coast of the UK, and they build these stunning wood composite Spirit of Tradition boats from 40 feet right up to super yacht level now. And this 63 is a pretty fine example of their craftsmanship. 63DH, we based in the Channel Islands and used for both cruising and racing. So it took part in the Panerai Classics Regatta in the Solent this summer. Competitively raced, and we'll do some long distance cruising as well. On deck they have some nice details that will suit both racing and cruising. So notice right up here on the stem there is a pad eye there, which is a electrically rotating pad eye for furling foresails. Very neat furler for the Genoa as well, so you can get the foot of the sail right down on deck level for racing. And a nice clean foredeck. And also you can just notice as well that it's a good height bulwark to it as well, so it gives you a bit of feeling of safety on deck. Lovely flush Shalimar hatches and a full carbon Southern Spars rig with a useful Park Avenue boom just for dropping the stack pack main into it. Sails by one sails, rod rigging, and first time a deck house model has used those lovely fan lights in there, which you'll see the light they throw into the interior. And this is the first time, well, in the sort of more modern area, that Spirit have built a yawl as well. And we're told that it actually sails better upwind with that mizzen sail. We have a large lazarette below me on the aft deck for a 2.7 metre rib, and this great keyhole style cockpit that Spirit are known for. So this owner cruises double-handed with his wife and races with up to about a dozen more crew as well. Gleaming bright work. Look how that main sheet's been designed to pierce through the cockpit table. That main sheet exits from there under the cockpit benches, comes out to the clutches, traveller winches. Sorry, main sheet winches. You have to have a look at the craftsmanship on display inside a Spirit. And obviously the beauty of the deckhouse design is being able to keep a watch inside in protection with still plenty of views. And this one, large enough size to have 2 pilot berths in here as well. So there's got trotter boxes in there to give the added length to be able to sleep on either tack. And moving forward from the deckhouse, you come down a couple of steps. Pullman cabin. Beautiful Spirit style saloon. The designer and founder Sean McMillan there, showing how comfortable it is in here, hiding from the wind and the Southampton conditions. Yeah, so there's 63 set up with 2 double cabins and that Pullman. But what they always do so well is the details and exposing The woodwork that they use is just beautiful. You just want to stroke everything. And I think they're designed well for sailing in a seaway, so lovely U-shaped galley there to brace yourself in. Trophy cabinets up on the bulkhead, and then this amazing forward owner's cabin. And if you can find a more inviting berth than that here at the show, do tell me. They really are built on a sort of custom basis, so the cabinet makers they have enjoy doing the little details to suit each owner.